Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Shopify support. So currently we're on Shopify and all we need to do is to go down to the bottom of the page, and right here we can see some options. Under support you have merchant support, help center, help, hire a partner, and these other options. If you're a merchant and you want some support, you can click on it, or if you're looking for more help from the help center, you can click on help center. Now here at the bottom you have support and you have merchant support and help center. Now in order to access help center, you need to sign into a Shopify account. However, if you click on merchant support, you also have the option to search for topics here in help center or pick on categories under sell, start, manage, and market. Alternatively, you can go over to the assistant, which is a virtual assistant, and search for anything. So you could simply ask a question here and get an answer to help with your situation. But if you need some more help, you can scroll down and you can see here contact support. So you're going to click on it, and it's different now because before we had a virtual help center assistant, and now if you need to chat with a support advisor, you can simply click on the store and proceed with your questions. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.